Hello guys, welcome to your second week of school. I just wanted to walk through what you're going to do this week, just so you know what to expect. So at the top of the page, you'll see the new module, what do I do this week? So if you'll click on Monday, it gives you a little to-do list. So the first thing I want you to do is to take your pre-test, not for a grade, pre-test never are. I just want to see what you know about the material right now. After you're done with the pre-test, you're going to read the directions or the instructions for 5.01, and then you're going to answer the questions about scale drawings. So I just wanted to point out these little icons. So if it looks like this link or a paper clip, that means those are going to be instructions or gives you information about how to solve problems. All right, so I noticed that this is page 1 of 2. So I'm going to read through this, look at my checklist, go to the next page, read all of this, and then I can either go next here or I can go back to modules. Now it's time for me to take the graded assessment. So every time you see a rocket ship, that means that you're about to do something that is for a grade. Also, you'll see later on, you'll see it looks like a paper and pencil. So if you can see that, that means that you're going to complete an assignment that is for a grade. So if you will click on the module 5 pre-test, go ahead, and your page looks a little different than mine, but go ahead and go through that. Don't worry about it if you don't do as well as you want. It's just a pre-test, okay? So then let me go back into Monday. Oh, so then the second thing was for you to do 5.01. So once again, just like last week, I have dates next to every assignment. So I would like for you to do all of this on Monday. So when I click on 5.01, I'm going to read for understanding. I'm not scanning. I'm reading every word. I'm reading my lesson objectives. I'm going to click through with the home button. Don't go to next. It'll take you out of this module. You're going to read about JJ's room, what he's trying to do. You're going to look at the examples. Go to the next page. You're going to continue on looking at the example given to you. Anything that's interactive, you need to click on it. This is not, it's just a picture of a compass. This is a picture over here. So now this is when you're going to start solving problems on your own. So do that. If it tells you to practice, I want you guys to practice. You do have an opportunity to check your answer, but the way you'll learn best is if you'll do the problems first and then look for the step-by-step solution. All right. When you see that you have the right answer, it's going to give you confidence. If you have the wrong answer, you need to go back through the example and see what you did that caused you to miss the answer. There's 2 practice problems, right? So you're going to do both of them. You're going to check your answer. When you're finished, you need to watch every video. Anytime you see a video, you need to pause it and you need to watch it as if he was an instructor in your classroom. You're writing down what he writes down. Write down all the steps. Okay, so now I'm on page 4 of 6. Once again, there's 2 new practice problems. Try them both, check your answer. Here's a situation. They're asking you questions about that situation, and you are solving it, and they're giving you step-by-step directions on how to solve it. Another stretch your mind, another practice problem. Make sure you try that, check your answer. And then finally, the last page, once again, you start by reading the lesson objectives and you end by reading the lesson objectives. So once you read these, you're going to say, okay, can I do this? Can I actually use ratios to create a scale drawing? Can I compute lengths and areas from scale drawings? Can I solve problems using scale drawings? If the answer is no, you need to go back through the lesson and try those practice problems again. And then you can always, so it gives you a summary here, read it, and then you actually have a page where you can print the lesson summary, and you can put that in your notebook. So now I'm going to go forward. Oops. Actually, I I went forward there, but I was at the end of my page. So now, just to make sure I know I'm going to be answering those questions about square drawings. See, there's my rocket ship. So this is the assignment for a grade. So you're going to click that button. I think it says start or whatever, and you're going to go through. And I give you 2 chances for every assignment. So if you take it the first time, you don't like your grade, take it a second time, try to improve that grade. Okay. I always keep the highest of the 2 grades. So you're doing that on Monday. On Tuesday, we have a Zoom. So that's basically all it says. Make sure you join our Zoom. However, I do want you to check this before our Zooms because a lot of times I'll give you a PowerPoint to print out so you can do the problems with me. I actually recorded this video last week, so I don't have the PowerPoint ready, but by the time you watch this video, there might be something under this page. So always go back and check that. On Wednesday, always go back into modules. Everything's in order. All right. So that would, and so Tuesday, sorry. So see, once again, on Tuesday, you have a rocket shift. I need to increase my indent. Oh no, that was the lesson. Just kidding. All right, let me take care of this. All right, so anyway, you are reading. So this is Wednesday, right? Wednesday's assignment. I guess I could put it up here too. Actually, these are backwards. That's why it looks funky. Here's the instructions and then here's the quiz. Okay, I had those. Sorry, I'll have it ready to go when you guys are on here. All right, so once again, you are going through the whole lesson. You're reading for understanding. You're not skimming. You're actually reading every page. Anything that's interactive, you are clicking on it. You're going through that whole lesson. And when you're done, here is an angles and triangles quiz. It's a spaceship, so make sure you understand. Oh, I'm about to get a grade on this. Thursday, once again, if I click here, it would be telling you about our Zoom session. Make sure you check it before we Zoom so that if there is a PowerPoint, you can print that out. And then finally, Friday, the 20th, you're going to take your mid-module check, which is kind of like a little quiz. So read that page, and then when you're ready to take it, it'll take you here, and you're going to hit start, and you're going to take that quiz on Friday. All right, so that's everything you need to do this week. I'll be meeting with you a couple of times this week on, Tuesday and Thursday? Yeah. So if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. You can send me a message, but I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you Tuesday.